Everyone learns to make money on different platforms by selling photographs, but no one learns to make successful photographs, which can attract potential buyers. You have to discover it in your own filter gallery. Any abstract image can make you money. Enter it in the Pixelate, Stylize menu. I have had success on Etsy and Shutterstock and Apos. The first thing you need to do is create a new page, preferably with a larger resolution. Choose a basic one and then start playing with Photoshop filters. You'll find examples of some simple images that you've had success with on the Etsy site. Photographic texture, vector and illustration are the most sought after by those who deal with decoration. Before you created this texture, you thought you could use it. You've always thought of it as a friend of mine from the past. Now you've returned to the creation. You can modify it in many colors or photographs. Similarly, a 3D texture is easy to achieve if you know what you want to sell. A 3D wallpaper can be used as a foundation for business cards, furniture, wallpaper, bracelets, interior for home, exterior for home and many other decorations. In addition to the use of plastic wrap, there are also details such as the lumina and function of its foundation. It's a simple, abstract tool that can be used in a variety of fields. You will find a link in the description for each platform where you can embed your imaginary image. Remember, any abstract image can be successful. In the following video, you will learn how to succeed on the Etsy platform and start your own free shop. Now I'll subscribe to this channel. Thank you for viewing if you like this content.